kwa ajili ya kikao leo mbele yetu. Tumeiweka rasmi mikononi mwako ili ulinde, utulinde Mungu wetu. Tunaposemezana pamoja Mungu vile ulivyotuagiza.
This, as I mentioned, is just part of a consultation with the people of the ground at the way forward in our country. The leadership here have expressed their concerns about many things that are affecting the Kenyan people. They've talked about this health care system, this SHA, which is having serious challenges as things stand today. They've also talked about inadequate funding coming to the counties, which is again a national issue. But the MCAs here have talked about reduction in allocation of funding to county assemblies, which is across board. Then there's also issue of infrastructure development, the issue of affordable housing, the issues of the markets which are being rolled out. All these have some questions that are required to be dealt with. They generally believe that our country is in a crisis, but that this crisis is solvable and that it should be solved. So I would say that I'm going to say which way we want to go, but generally our country has reached this place because of lack of proper attention to critical issues. And the issue of pilferage is also a major contributory factor. The animal called corruption in service delivery is itself very responsible for lack of efficient services in the country. Some clashes along the border between Kisii County and Narok County. The situation is very tense as things stand today. I've talked to the people who are in charge of security to mobilize security to ensure that no further loss of life is caused to bring peace among the communities who live along the border.
We had a very engageful event with the Mzee, Baba, with the delegates who are the officials of the party, ODM, from Nyamira and the Kisii County. It's important to note that Baba is in the entrench of making sure he has gotten views of the Kenyans, what we call a consultative meeting in the country. And he has done it. He sampled out number of, he may not go to all the 47 counties, but he has sampled few, and those views will inform him going forward how we are going to engage with the national government, as it were.